AI hallucinations are becoming a real concern for everyone out there. Now, many companies, especially the ones which are building LLMs or large language models, are taking up the mantle against AI hallucinations with a newer method for training artificial intelligence models. AI hallucinations occur when models like OpenAI's ChatGPT or Google's Bard fabricate information entirely, behaving as if they are spouting facts. One example: in Google's own February promotional video for Bard, the chatbot makes an untrue claim about the James Webb Space Telescope. And there are lots of other examples from many LLMs out there. Even state of the art models are prone to producing falsehoods. They exhibit a tendency to invent facts in moments of uncertainty. These hallucinations are particularly problematic in domains that require multi step reasoning, since a logical error is enough to derail a much larger solution. OpenAI's potential new strategy to fight hallucination is to train the models to reward themselves for each individual correct step of reasoning when they are arriving at an answer, instead of just rewarding a correct final conclusion. This approach is called as process supervision, as opposed to outcome supervision, and could lead to better explainable AI, since the strategy encourages model to follow more of a human-like chain of thought approach. Detecting and mitigating a problem's logical mistakes or hallucinations is a critical step towards building aligned AGI, and the motivation behind this research is to address hallucinations in order to make models more capable at solving challenging reasoning problems. But remember that this is an ongoing fight. I don't think so this will be over anytime soon, no matter what approach they employ at the moment to tackle this. But as is the case with any new technology, I think as the threats and concerns around AI will increase, so will be the solutions and tooling. Thanks for listening.